Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here's just a weekly rundown of homely food and my favorite thing of the week, coloring my hair. It was such a process. It was so easy. I used this Paradise hair color, no bleach hair color. You just had to mix the developer and the hair color together. That's like the step one. Like you have to combine it really well. And there's us mixing. You mix it really well and then you apply it to the starting from the ends of your hair and work your way up to the roots. And it was really it was so much fun because it's my first time and I was so excited to see the result. And there's how it looks. So it is more visible in direct sunlight. In the dark it looks very like, it just looks like a tint, but in the sunlight it looks beautiful.
Hey guys, so I think this is the first time I'm actually speaking to you, but anyways, so today is the 10th of February and there's less than a week now before I actually moved to Melbourne as an international student, of course, but then yeah, so I thought I'll vlog the entire thing, and also I have a cold right now, that's why my voice is kind of different, but yeah, I wanted to vlog this entire week, how it goes, what things I do, things I pack, you know, and take you guys through this journey of my life. And yeah, so I guess that's it. I'm really nervous and excited. It's like a mixture of emotions. I don't know what to feel. I am sad also for leaving behind my family and siblings. I'm really excited, kind of excited for like, you know, the next journey, how it is going to go, blah blah blah. But yeah, let's see how it ends up.
So as I was saying, I still have quite a lot of packing to do, but I thought before that, you know, I can show you how far I've come. So basically, I have an allowance of 30 kgs plus an additional of 10 since I'm a student, so I can take up to 40 kilos check-in baggage and 7 hand carry. So, but the thing is, I already packed around 43 kilos and I still need to keep like around 7 kilos more. So now I have to reduce everything, like, you know, I have to reduce 10 kilos to make space for my skincare, makeup, accessories, blah blah blah, because there's quite a lot and I don't want to leave it here and go, because I really think I need to take them with me because I need it. But yeah, I'll show you my luggage as of now. So this is the main luggage, and this my sister's got it for me for my birthday, so I think I should take it. Is it necessary? Yes, 100%. And these are mainly clothes, and this is the second baggage. It's really messy right now because I've been taking things out, putting things back in, and this is most of my essentials, which I'm again cutting down on a lot, and some of my bags, and yeah, that's it. And I'll show you the rest of my like hand carry. So this is my hand carry. It is like just like a pair of clothes and like some essentials and my gadgets that I'll be carrying in my backpack, of course. And yeah, this is my poor baby. I think he already has a hint that I'm going to leave, so I miss him so much. So that's how my packing is going on. And oh yeah, I didn't show you my hair color, right? See, I colored my hair. I mean, it's part of this vlog, but yeah, look at this, it's so cute. Okay, I've only colored like the under part of my hair, so like the top part is literally black. Hey guys, so today's still the 7th. I think it's the, oh my god, I don't think it's the 7th, it's the 10th, sorry. So it's the 10th, and now we're going to head out to get me open a bank account for me, a savings account, before I leave. So I thought, why not document that as well. So So before I leave, I wanted to show you my hair color once again. I feel like it's more visible in the sun. Isn't that cute? So I braided my hair yesterday, so they'll have like, my hair is super straight, right? So since I braided it, it has like this slight waves. I think it looks nice. I should stand still. But yeah, isn't it cute? Oh my god, I love it so much. It's like this light tint. I mean, it's like a no bleach hair product, so pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, I wish I did a better application job. Like I wanted to do like this, like all around the ends of my hair instead of just under, which I've done now, but it's still good. I love it. So yeah, that's it. So I applied for the account. Unfortunately, I didn't get the card today. I don't know why. But yeah, so I have to go collect it in the next 2 days. And I'm walking back home. So I'm back home now, and so for Valentine's Day, I thought of making these cute little roses for my family. How cute are these pieces? I made from satin ribbon, sorry. And these are so freaking cute. And I thought I'll gift all of my family one each before I leave. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And so I thought I would record this series like daily, so like up to the day I leave, honestly, and post it every day. Because I think otherwise the video's gonna get too long, because literally there's so many things to do. And yeah, I think it'll be more of a daily vlog more than week. I thought I'll vlog my entire week and post it as one video, but I think that is going to be like really long, because yeah. So that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with more updates of things I'm getting done before I leave. And yeah, love you all. Bye. Thanks for watching.